This is a Dooney and Bourke, and we have um, the Hobo clutch. It's really pretty, and that's about it. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is Philine, and today we're going to do unboxing. Yes, one of my favorite things to do is unboxing. Yeah, so it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. And today I am wearing my very own creation, a pearl. This is a genuine cultured fresh water pearl that I made myself. And this is the Banana Republic that I bought last time. And guys, I am practicing to wear some of my clothes that I bought, even though I have a big arms. That's fine because I like this design. This is so pretty, very comfy. Yes, so let's do it. And if this is the content that you'd love to watch, so I am always doing unboxing, and I do vlog sale, and you visit my Mercari, I do a lot of sale. This you can find it in my Mercari as well. So yes, since I find the good deals, you always if you cannot find a good deal somewhere else, you can find it in my Mercari. Yay! And without further ado, let's do. Let's do it. There you go. And this, check it out. Oh, look at this bubble, it's so pretty. Wow. Okay, hang on. Wow, they really packed it well. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. And this, can you remove the box because this box is bugging me. There. Okay. So first of all, we have this. Look at this. This is a Dooney and Bourke hydrangea collection. This is with beautiful flowers in it. See? And the retail price is $248. But of course, I'm not going to price you $248 because I got this on sale, and obviously they don't have it in Dillard's anymore. So this, you can buy it from me. And where is the I am looking for the shoulder bag. So the shoulder bag is not here yet, so it's here. So it has a really big, not big, thick enough shoulder bag, which is we're going to remove so you guys can see closely since I am selling this. So what do you see here in my channel? These are all for sale. So probably this video where you will see this video, but this bag will be already in my Mercari. So this one is let's put in here. Hang on guys. And this, let's remove this. There. And it has this keychain holder or coin purse holder, whatever you have it here. It's attached to the bag, and then you can put it inside. So this is like a Hobo style bag, and it's just hard to, why don't we just remove it so you can see it. So I'd like to do, if I don't do a haul, I do a vlog sale, because I want my customers to see how beautiful is the bag. And the good thing about Dooney and Bourke, if I pronounce it well, so they have a feet so your bag will not be really dirty because it has a feet in it, and their hardware are very really durable. And also what I love about them is that their quality of the leather, it's really pretty. Look at that. And this one got a zipper in it and canvas inside. It's made of cloth. And this one is, you can see how big and spacious inside. This is really pretty. There you go. So we'll put that there. All right. Let's move on. So this is a different kind. So this is a clutch that you're gonna see. This is different. This is not a Dooney and Bourke, but this is, voila, it's a big clutch like a wallet, but this is a bigger size of a longer than a wallet. So definitely, and this it's called a from Hobo. Did I pronounce it Hobo? The brand is Hobo. Yes. So Hobo is a very, they have defined genuine leather. They're really smooth, and as you can see, it has a pocket and it has another compartment here. And the good thing about it is you don't need a wallet. This is a wallet itself, and this it has 1 2 3 like 6 card slots in there. Okay, and another compartment here, and then a zipper wallet here. I mean a zipper pocket. So this one is originally from $108, but of course I will not price you $108. You can see this in my you can find this in my Mercari. I'm gonna post this in my Mercari. It's beautiful, really smooth grain leather. Let me read this really quick. Yeah, so this is 100% genuine leather, and it's crack colored crack glass. Yes, so they're it's like this a brass hardware, which is really pretty. So when you go to the party, or you can do it like this. Oh wow, it fits my clothes. All right. Okay, that is enough. And we have here another one. So this one is just the same. It's same kind. So I ordered 2. There. This is the same kind, so I don't need to show you that one. Okay, let's move to the next box. All right, so this one is look at that. This one is my Calvin Klein. Hopefully this is Calvin. Okay, this is my Calvin Klein leggings. So this It's not for sale. Oh, this is a jogger. So let me show you the jogger. This, I got this for very, very good price, and look at that. There. And so far that's about it. So we have the bag. This is a Dooney and Bourke, and we have the Hobo clutch. It's really pretty, and that's about it. So thank me an offer. Just click the link down below on my Mercari, because I'm gonna sell that in my Mercari and I will give you a good price. And the best thing to do for a good price in my Mercari, or anybody in the Mercari, they have a lot of sale there, and a lot of sellers that are selling their products pretty good price, like fine. And you can shoot me an offer, and you can do bundles in order for you to have a really great deals in my Mercari. You can browse in my Mercari page. I have a lot of items there that you might like, and then you can offer me and tell me how many you like, which one you like, and message me each one of them, and I will bundle it for you. Okay? And I'm looking forward to the business with you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.